In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take control and manage your company's passwords with Bitwarden. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to efficiently secure your company's digital assets using Bitwarden, a top-rated password manager acclaimed for its robust security features and user-friendly interface. First, head over to the Bitwarden website. Whether you're managing passwords for business, enterprise, or personal use, Bitwarden offers a comprehensive set of tools designed to make your life easier. Simply type in Bitwarden's URL or do a quick search online to find their official site and familiarize yourself with its features and offerings. Once you're there, locate the Login button on the homepage. This will take you to the Bitwarden Vault login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials to access your account. Keep in mind the importance of strong, unique passwords even for your password manager, as this will be your first line of defense. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself in the Bitwarden Vault. This is a secure digital space where you store and manage all your passwords. Take a moment to navigate through the interface and get comfortable with its features. If it's your first time, you might want to explore the various sections to see how everything is organized. Next, look for the New Organization option. Click on it to start setting up a new organization within your Bitwarden account. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple teams or groups that require separate vaults for enhanced security. Having distinct organizations ensures that only authorized personnel have access to the information they need, streamlining your password management workflow. Now, you'll be prompted to add details for your new organization. Fill out the necessary information, such as the organization's name, a brief description of its purpose, and any additional settings that might be relevant to your team's needs. Be thorough with the information you provide, as this will help in organizing and managing your organization's passwords effectively. Once you've entered all the required details, click on the Submit button. This action finalizes the creation of your organization, making it ready for you to start adding members and managing their access. Congratulations! You've just set up a secure environment to manage your company's passwords efficiently. To wrap things up, remember that effectively managing passwords is crucial in today's digital landscape. Bitwarden not only helps keep your credentials safe, but also simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters for your company. Bookmark the Bitwarden page for easy future access, and keep your login information secure. That's all for today's guide on managing your company's passwords with Bitwarden. Thanks for watching, and happy securing!